Bonjour, c'est Claire at French in the Midlands. Today's lesson is about the different meanings of the word on, which is really confusing, and that's a question that was asked in one of the comments on one of my videos. First of all, I would say the main use of on in spoken French, it's the we, as in we do this and we do that. When you write French, you write nous, because it's the posh version of it. When we talk, we hardly ever say nous, we say on. For instance, we'd say on est allé à Paris le week-end dernier. We went to Paris last weekend. And notice when you say that, le week-end dernier in French is the weekend last. That's the order of the words. Or you could say on a bien mangé et bien bu. We ate and drank well. Usually it means a lot as well as good food. Or you could say hier on n'a rien fait. Yesterday we didn't do anything. When you speak, when you say on n'a rien fait, in fact in your head you remove the ne, because the ne is quite posh. Again, it's for written French. So we always remove the ne of the negative and leave the pas or the rien in it. But because you have on with a, even if you remove the ne in this instance, you still say on a because you link. So it doesn't make any difference to the sound. It's just when you write it. On can also mean one, as in people in general. And you can also use it for the passive form, which we don't like in French. So I'll show you the alternative. For instance, pendant le confinement, on ne peut pas sortir. During lockdown, we can't go out. As in one, people, nobody can go out. And that's what it means. It's the general we, as in people. À Marseille, on parle français avec un accent. In Marseille, French is spoken with an accent. You see, that's French is spoken, that's the passive form in English. We don't like that in French, so we always make it active with the on as the pronoun. On parle français avec un accent. So you could translate it as one speaks French with an accent, or people speak French with an accent. It's the same thing. Again, same for the last one. On parle français dans 29 pays is how we would phrase it in French, which is literally one speaks French in 29 countries. But in English, you like to say French is spoken in 29 countries. And that's why you always have to bear that in mind when you translate. Say you're doing a written translation, you translate what somebody's saying, you have to translate not just the words, but the whole structure from how you would say it in French to how you would say it in English, and a lot of the time it's really not identical. On, so let's go back to the one people. It also means you, as in the impersonal you. Quand on est malade, en général, on est fatigué. When you are poorly, generally you feel tired. You could have said when one is poorly, but it sounds a bit posh, and probably only the Queen uses one in speech, to be honest. On ne parle pas la bouche pleine. That's a bit of a particular one, because it's the sort of thing that you shouldn't do. You shouldn't talk with your mouth full. If you were to translate that literally, it means one doesn't talk with one's mouth full. And that's it. I hope you liked it, and I hope that was clear enough for you. Give me a like if that's the case, and subscribe if you're not a member already, and I'll see you in the next one. À bientôt.